Hi, I'm Andrea and this is A View. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a really quick sunflower using this taper brush and just a couple of colors, nothing fancy. So let's get started on the sunflower. So you're going to take a round brush. This is just a round taper brush. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix up some yellow with a little bit of black. So you want mostly yellow. Place it on your plate and then pick up some black. And it's not a lot of black, so you're not fully mixing. You want it to have kind of a marble swirl like that on your brush, okay? So this is going to be your greenery at the base of your sunflower. So first we want to do the stalk. I'm going to put one right here. And then you're going to take your brush and press and pull so it gets wider at the base. And I'm going to pick up some more paint. And then on this side, kind of like those leaves that are on it. So you pull up and then press hard and then pull back down. And a few that are going to be behind the actual sunflower. So put a little black back into the stalk just so you can see it better. Now I'm going to rinse my brush. Now I'm going to be mixing yellow, so you're going to scoop up some yellow, and then you want to put some red in with it. So this is going to give you a dark orangey type red color. So a dark orangey red. And this is where you use the shape of your brush to your advantage. So it's a tapered brush, the point is pointed, just like the shape of the sunflower petals. So you're going to start out at the very outside and pull in, skip a spot and turn your brush this way and just keep pulling from the outside with this orangish red color. Pick up more paint. So you have every other spot is that orange-red color. Once you have that done, I'm going to rinse my brush off. Then I'm just going to pick up pure yellow. So I have my brush loaded with yellow. Once again, we're going to use the shape of the brush. So we're going to pull down and press, because when you press, your brush widens out and it makes the petal go from thin to wide. So you're going to take your taper brush, start out light, and then press as you come in towards the center. Press. Press. So you're alternating where you didn't put the darker red orange ones. You put the light ones in between where the dark ones, well, actually overlapping. Now, you're going to take black and you're going to mix red into the black. You're going to take this on your taper brush and you're just going to swirl in the middle right into the center of it. You're just going to swirl that. Look how quick and easy this sunflower is. It's awesome. So now if you need to go back in and add some shadows where these little leaves come out, and if you want to keep going with the detail on this sunflower, you can switch to a smaller brush and just pick up a little bit of white, just white, and you can highlight some of your leaves with that white if you really want them to stand out. And that is how you would do a really quick and easy sunflower. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.